Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 7.
Still ahead. Spoil your loved ones this Valentine's Day with some over-the-top balloons. Whoa,
We got a little bit of everything, from massive balloons to Harlem Globetrotters doing their thing. Yeah, buddy. How do you keep...
From the balls to the balloons, love is in the air. Sandi Masori, author of the Balloon Bible, is here showing us some very creative, some very big, bold balloons for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You came, I'm doing my makeup today, you know, and you're just walking in with balloon after balloon after balloon.
Yeah.
This is an explosion.
Yeah.
So you made this stuff this morning? How long did it take you to make all this?
Actually, a lot of it we did last night.
Okay.
We spent a good few hours, probably 4 or 5 hours altogether.
To create all of this?
Mostly inflating, right? I mean, that's what takes the longest, is just inflating the balloons.
Do you do the traditional inflate where you just blow into the balloon?
Gosh, then I'd be really tired. I have
that's
machines.
true. You have machines
I've
to
got
do
machines to do it,
Okay,
yeah.
so I know that these look very pretty. I've tried to do these at home myself, and I fail miserably. Is it really doable for somebody to make something like this at home?
It really is. The key is, and probably the place where most people make mistakes, is that they overinflate the balloons.
Oh.
And so then you have no room to move. There's no, I call it a squish factor.
Okay.
Right? So you want the balloons kind of squishy, because then they're going to be more malleable.
Okay. Are you going to show us how to make
I
something?
am. So we're going to
Okay.
make this heart over here.
Wait, let me show you the heart. So maybe,
Yeah,
you
I
don't
have it. I
balloons
tucked
at
it
home.
into his mane there. So there you go.
So we're going to make this.
That's right. We're going to make that. And so if you remember what we did for Christmas, how we made the wreath, it's basically based on the same thing. That's okay. I'm going to teach you again.
Okay.
What colors do you want?
I love purple's my birthstone because this is my birthday month. So I'll do purple.
Okay.
And I'll do pink.
All right.
No, like the shimmer pink.
You want the shiny pink?
Yeah, I want the shiny pink.
All right. These are the new colors.
I'm gonna make this for baby Shyla.
Nice.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay, and we'll just place your other 2 balloons here, because this is actually a 4 balloon design.
Oh, it's a 4 balloon design.
Yes.
That looks, yes,
and
for the other side.
I'm going to take a couple of balloons here. Sorry. Okay. So now, if you remember, we always start twisting on the side where it's tied.
Okay.
And we do that so that the air has some room to move.
Yes.
And we're just going to grab them.
Sandi, I have a thing about balloons
I know.
popping.
I know you're
These
scared
are
of
not gonna
balloons.
pop. Don't stop. Okay, now what?
Okay, and now if you remember what we did last time is we're just gonna make a spiral. Yeah, just like you're doing hair. And then when you get to the top, squeeze and twist it.
Knock it
Oh,
off.
don't do
no.
that. They're teasing her. That's not nice.
You can't hear the director in my ear commentating on this whole thing right now. Don't do that. Okay. Now what?
Yeah, and squeeze and twist it together. Yep, yeah, you got it. Just don't be scared. Oh,
I don't. There's
I
like
know.
some things that just don't work well with me.
And poor thing, they always put you with me.
I know, right?
I think because you give such great reactions. Okay, so then you're gonna kind of take it from that top side and just kind of, curve it in.
Okay.
Yep. And so like, you'll see kind of what I do is I just kind of roll it around my hand, and then you're gonna make the other set.
Okay.
So,
I'm getting good at this now.
You
now I know.
are,
Now you take the end and you do a little twist.
That's right, very good, that's right. We're doing the exact same thing.
Kids' birthday parties, you can now hire me for
That's
balloons.
right, look at her
I'm
go.
putting Sandi
Charlie's
out
gonna
of
take my
business.
job.
I don't know how to make a giraffe. I'm making a heart.
We'll do that next time.
Okay, you just do this part.
Yeah, okay, I'll do this part.
Okay. Stop doing that.
He is so mean.
Sheesh. Okay. Now,
Okay.
curl.
Yep, and curl it in from the side on the other side. Yep. Good. You're just gonna kind of wrap it gently around your hand.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the 2 pieces together.
2 pieces together.
And we're gonna twist the 4 bubbles together, and then do the same thing on the bottom. You are such a good sport. I am so proud of you.
Thank you. I like to try. I teach my kids, try everything.
That's right.
Stop making sounds. Okay.
And then so yeah, you just gotta kind of like rotate it out. Just
Okay.
kind of get those bubbles and bring that in a little bit. And there you go, you did it.
This is my heart for you.
That's right. Woo! Happy Valentine's Day.
This is the coolest thing. Okay, so this is a finished product. Look how easy. If I can do this, anybody can do this. Are these special balloons, by the way, Sandi, if somebody wants to buy these?
So these are called 260s because they're approximately 2 inches wide and 60 inches long. And The brand that we happen to
Yes.
be using today is called Qualitex. It's
Okay.
a stronger brand than what you might see in the party store.
Okay, Sandy has a whole new book. If this is your thing and you want to like learn how to do balloons, the Balloon Bible Themes and Dreams, we've added a link to our website's Scene on tab, foxsidesandiego.com. Click the Scene on tab. Sandy, thank you for being
You
here.
are so welcome. Go forth and balloonify.
Where's Chrissy? Here.
She did
Kids.
such a
Here
good job.
is my Valentine heart for you.
Don't you think this is such a good idea for
Right?
to do with the kids?
Yes.
You know?
No, you don't wear it though.
Why not?
Oh, okay, wear it.
Does that work?
It works.
Pause for stinger. We're gonna do the stinger. I'm gonna do the weather. Here we go. It's foggy outside.